Saturn, a giant among giants. The sixth planet from the Sun, it stands as a colossus in our solar system, a gas giant that dwarfs all but Jupiter. Its sheer size and mass are awe-inspiring, a testament to the grandeur of the cosmos. A celestial ballet dancer adorned with shimmering rings. These rings, composed of countless particles of ice and rock, create a mesmerizing spectacle, reflecting sunlight in a dazzling display. They are the most extensive and complex ring system in our solar system, a true marvel of nature. But Saturn's true allure lies not just in its beauty, but in its secrets, held captive by its many moons. These moons, over 80 in number, each tell a unique story, a chapter in the grand narrative of our solar system's history. Over 80 moons dance around Saturn, each a world unto itself, whispering tales of the early solar system and the possibilities of life beyond Earth. These moons range from tiny, irregularly shaped rocks to massive planet-like bodies, each contributing to the rich tapestry of Saturn's domain. Among these celestial dancers, two stand out, beckoning us with their mysteries. Enceladus, a gleaming ball of ice and rock with a surface that glistens like a diamond in the vastness of space. And Titan, a hazy orange giant cloaked in a thick atmosphere. Titan's atmosphere is rich in organic compounds, creating a thick, smog-like haze that shrouds its surface, hiding its secrets from prying eyes. They are worlds of stark contrasts, yet both hold the potential to rewrite our understanding of life in the universe. Enceladus, with its icy terrain and hidden ocean, and Titan, with its methane lakes and dense atmosphere, present environments that challenge our notions of habitability. Our journey takes us first to Enceladus, a moon seemingly insignificant compared to the behemoth it orbits. Yet this small moon has captured the imagination of scientists and explorers alike. But Enceladus holds a secret beneath its icy shell, a secret that has captivated scientists and dreamers alike: a vast, global ocean. This ocean, hidden beneath a thick crust of ice, is kept warm by tidal forces, creating a potential habitat for life. Geysers erupt from its surface, spewing water vapor and organic molecules into space, offering tantalizing clues about what lies beneath. Imagine a world encased in ice, reflecting the distant sunlight like a million tiny mirrors. This is Enceladus, a moon where temperatures plunge to hundreds of degrees below freezing. But beneath this frozen crust, a hidden world thrives. Giant geysers erupt from Enceladus's south polar region, spewing plumes of water vapor and organic molecules hundreds of kilometers into space. These plumes, first observed by the Cassini spacecraft, are a beacon, a sign that beneath the icy shell lies a vast, salty ocean. This ocean is thought to be tens of kilometers deep, dwarfing all the oceans on Earth combined. It is warmed by tidal forces from Saturn and its other moons, creating hydrothermal vents similar to those found on Earth's ocean floor. On Earth, hydrothermal vents are oases of life in the deep ocean, teeming with creatures that thrive in the warmth and chemical soup emanating from these vents. Could Enceladus's ocean, warmed by similar vents, also harbor life? The presence of organic molecules in Enceladus's plumes is a tantalizing clue. These molecules are the building blocks of life as we know it. While their presence doesn't confirm the existence of life, it raises the thrilling possibility that in the depths of this hidden ocean, life may have found a foothold. Imagine alien creatures adapted to the darkness and pressure of Enceladus's abyss, their bioluminescent bodies illuminating the eternal night. It's a possibility that sends shivers down the spine, a testament to the boundless creativity of the universe. Our next destination is Titan, Saturn's largest moon and a world that feels eerily familiar. Shrouded in a thick, hazy atmosphere, Titan is a world of mountains, rivers, and lakes. But this is not Earth. Titan's atmosphere is a dense cocktail of nitrogen and methane, a toxic brew for humans. The surface is sculpted not by water but by liquid methane, which rains from the sky, carving riverbeds and filling vast lakes. Despite its alien nature, Titan holds a strange allure. It is the only moon in our solar system known to have stable bodies of liquid on its surface. It has a weather cycle with methane rain, evaporation, and even clouds. Imagine standing on the shores of a vast methane lake, the air thick with the smell of hydrocarbons. The sky above is a hazy orange, the distant sun a faint glow. This is Titan, a world of alien beauty. Titan's landscape is sculpted by the same geological processes that shape Earth. Wind carves dunes out of hydrocarbon sands, while methane rivers meander across the surface, their flow dictated by the changing seasons. Beneath the surface, scientists believe there may be a vast subsurface ocean of water similar to that on Enceladus. This ocean, if it exists, could be another potential haven for life, perhaps even harboring life forms radically different from those on Earth. The moons of Saturn hold immense promise for humanity, but they are not without their dangers. These celestial bodies, while fascinating, are fraught with perilous conditions that challenge even the most advanced technology. The extreme cold, the toxic atmospheres, and the vast distances all pose significant challenges to exploration. The temperatures can plummet to hundreds of degrees below freezing, and the atmospheres are often filled with gases that are deadly to humans. Landing on Titan, for example, would be a feat of engineering. Titan, Saturn's largest moon, has a thick, hazy atmosphere composed mainly of nitrogen with traces of methane and other hydrocarbons. This makes it both intriguing and hazardous. The dense atmosphere and low gravity mean that a spacecraft would need to be carefully designed to ensure a safe landing. Engineers must account for the moon's unique conditions, creating landing systems that can handle the pressure and temperature variations. And once on the surface, explorers would need to contend with the extreme cold and the lack of breathable air. Specialized suits and habitats would be essential to protect astronauts from the harsh environment and to provide them with the necessary life support. Even Enceladus, with its subsurface ocean, presents challenges. This small moon, with its icy crust and geysers that spew water vapor into space, hints at the possibility of an ocean beneath its surface. Drilling through kilometers of ice to reach the ocean would be a monumental task. The ice is incredibly thick and hard, requiring advanced drilling technology and techniques to penetrate it. And any life that exists in Enceladus's ocean may be vastly different from life on Earth, raising questions about the potential for contamination. Scientists would need to take extreme precautions to avoid introducing Earth microbes into this alien environment, which could disrupt any native ecosystems. The search for life on these moons is not just about finding new organisms, but also about understanding the limits of life itself. By studying these extreme environments, we can learn more about the potential for life elsewhere in the universe and the resilience of life in the face of harsh conditions. The perils of the unknown are daunting, but they also drive us to innovate and explore. The challenges posed by Saturn's moons push the boundaries of our technology and our understanding, inspiring us to reach further into the cosmos. Despite the challenges, the allure of Saturn's moons is undeniable. They are tantalizing targets in our quest to understand the universe and our place within it. The possibility of finding life, even microbial life, on another world would be one of the most profound discoveries in human history. It would force us to reevaluate our place in the cosmos, to realize that we are not alone in the vastness of space. And even if we don't find life, the exploration of these moons will undoubtedly yield new insights into the formation of our solar system and the conditions that give rise to habitable worlds. Looking further into the future, some scientists believe that Titan, with its abundant resources and potential for terraforming, could one day become a second home for humanity. While the challenges are immense, the idea of establishing a human presence on another world is a powerful one. It speaks to our innate desire to explore, to push the boundaries of what's possible, and to secure the future of our species. Imagine a future where humans live among the rings of Saturn, exploring the mysteries of Titan and Enceladus. It's a vision that captures the imagination and fuels our desire to reach for the stars. The exploration of Saturn's moons is more than just a scientific endeavor. It's a testament to the enduring human spirit, our curiosity, and our desire to explore the unknown. For centuries, humanity has gazed up at the night sky, wondering what lies beyond our own world. The allure of the cosmos has driven us to build rockets, develop advanced technologies, and send brave astronauts into the vast expanse of space. As we stand on the cusp of a new era of space exploration, the moons of Saturn beckon us with their mysteries and their promise. Each moon, with its unique characteristics and potential for discovery, offers a glimpse into the past and future of our solar system. From the icy surface of Enceladus, with its geysers spewing water into space, to the methane lakes of Titan, these celestial bodies challenge our understanding and ignite our imagination. They remind us that there is still so much to discover, so much to learn, and so much to inspire us. The harsh environments of these moons push the boundaries of our scientific knowledge and technological capabilities. Every mission, every experiment conducted on these distant worlds brings us closer to unraveling the secrets of the universe. In the grand tapestry of the cosmos, we are but a small thread, yet we are capable of great things. Our quest to explore Saturn's moons is a reflection of our innate desire to push beyond our limits, to seek out new frontiers, and to expand our horizons. It is a journey that not only advances our scientific understanding, but also unites us in a shared vision of exploration and discovery. The exploration of Saturn's moons is a testament to that potential, a symbol of our enduring quest to understand the universe and our place within it. Each discovery, each piece of data collected, adds to the mosaic of knowledge that helps us comprehend the vastness of space and our role within it. The challenges we face in this endeavor are immense, but so are the rewards. And perhaps, just perhaps, it will lead us to the discovery that we are not alone. The possibility of finding life, even in its most basic form, on one of Saturn's moons would be a profound revelation. It would forever change our understanding of life in the universe and our place within it. As we continue to explore, we carry with us the hope and the dream that one day we will find answers to the questions that have driven us to the stars.